Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're talking about a word that's small in size but big in everyday use. The word of the day is bite. Bite is a noun, and it means a small piece taken by biting. Imagine you're eating an apple or a sandwich. When you take a bite, you're taking a small piece of that food into your mouth. It's a word we use all the time, especially when we're talking about food and eating. For example, you might say, "Would you like a bite of my cake?" Or, "He took a big bite out of his burger." Some synonyms for bite include nibble, morsel, and chunk. Let's look at some examples. She took a small nibble of the cookie to see if she liked it. Another one could be, "I'll have just a morsel of cheese. Thank you." And the sandwich was missing a chunk where someone had already taken a bite. On the other hand, antonyms of bite include whole, intact, and complete. For example, he didn't touch his sandwich, so it was still whole. Or, the cake was intact until someone decided to try a piece. And, I want the burger to stay complete until I'm ready to eat. You'll hear the word bite in many situations. Maybe you're at a restaurant and someone says, "Let me have a bite of your pasta." Or you're on a picnic and your friend offers, "Take a bite of this apple. It's so sweet." We even use it in expressions like, "grab a bite to eat," meaning to have a quick meal. Here are a few more sentences to help you understand. He offered me a bite of his chocolate bar, but I was too full. She took a bite out of her sandwich and smiled. Don't forget to take a bite before you head to your meeting. To sum up, bite is a super useful word that describes taking a small piece of something, usually food. We've talked about its meaning, its synonyms like nibble and morsel, its antonyms like whole and intact, and how it's used in everyday life. I hope you'll feel confident using it in your own conversations. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed the show, make sure to subscribe and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our podcast. Before we go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word bite and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.